Children, children, come and listen. Come and hear of Jesus' love. Children, children, come and see Him. Come and see how Jesus loves. Children, children, come and touch Him. Come and touch our Bible friend.
Hello, boys and girls. This is Hannah, and I have a wonderful story for you called A Big Storm. The memory verse is, "The Lord is with me. I will not be afraid." Psalm 118, verse 8. The message for today's story is we help others be safe. Let's pray. Dear Jesus, thank you for this day as we're going to study your lesson about the big storm, and be with us and speak to us in Jesus' name. Amen. Have you ever been really scared? Maybe a big dog came near you, or maybe you cannot find your mom in the store. Everyone feels afraid once in a while. Who helps you feel safe? Jesus has been telling stories and helping people all day. Sad people felt happy again, and sick people were well again. The people really wanted to stay with Jesus, but it was getting late. Slowly, they gathered their things and began to leave. It had been a busy day, and everyone was so tired. Jesus and his disciples climbed into a boat. "Let's go across to the other side of the lake," Jesus said. "We can rest there." A soft wind gently pushed the boat. The waves made the boat go up and down, up and down. Oh! Jesus yawned and leaned against the pile of the shavings, and he went right to sleep. The storming wind made big waves that splashed into the boat. The wind moved harder and harder. The disciples were afraid. They knew that the storm could make their boat tip over. Lightning flashed, and they saw Jesus sleeping. "Jesus! Jesus! Save us!" they cried. Jesus sat up. He felt the waves splash into the boat, and he saw the frightened disciples. Jesus stood up and said, "Peace, be still." And right away, the strong wind stopped blowing. The waves did not splash into the boat anymore. The night became quiet and still. "Why were you afraid?" Jesus asked his disciples. "You do not need to be afraid. I am with you." The disciples knew that Jesus was with them. When you feel afraid, you too can say, "Jesus, please help me," just as the disciples did. You might see someone else who is afraid. You can help them say, "Jesus, please help me." Or you can give them a hug, or even hold their hand. Or you can get a grown-up to help. You can tell others that Jesus will help them too. Let's pray. Dear Jesus, thank you for this day. Thank you for the lesson, and help us not to be afraid, but to trust in you. Be with us in the storm. In Jesus' name, amen. The rain